Hi, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be transforming a pendant in the shape of a letter P into the shape of a letter E. Today our main focus will be changing the pendant in the shape of a letter P into an E. We're also going to be putting this lobster claw onto the necklace chain. The first thing we're going to do is start sawing the letter to start turning it into the E. So we've cut off part of the P. We're going to reuse as much of it as possible and create an E with it. So we're going to be cutting down some more parts of it now. So we now have a piece for the bottom of the E. We're gonna make the center part of the E. We're gonna remove the bezel and stone. We're gonna take that yellow gold piece and then hammer it. So we have all of our little pieces ready to go. So what we're gonna do now is solder the pieces together so that way we complete the E. Then we're gonna trim it down. We have our E soldered up. We're going to start grinding away and straightening out everything. We've sanded the E. At this point in time, we're going to do final polishing. We're going to do final wheel polishing. It's going into the ultrasonic now for cleaning. We're going to steam. So we have our chain. We had a spring ring on, and the spring inside the ring along with the little curlicue that's inside of it, it broke, so this is no longer usable. So we're replacing it with a lobster claw, and we're just gonna open the jump ring. We're gonna attach it onto the chain, and then it'll be all set to go. All right, there we go. We've completed the conversion from a P to an E. Thanks for joining us today. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. If you're looking for custom jewelry, reach out to us, fgconclusions.com.